What's your cost of doing business? I mean, in the thing that you most enjoy doing in life, what are the tasks that just go along with the job? If you own your own business, you have to do payroll and taxes. If you're a chef, you have to order food. If you run a shop, well, you need to straighten up the shelves at the end of the day. And if you want to be a pastor, you have to do your annual statistical reports. The four seasons in the church year are Christmas, Easter, the annual meeting, and statistical report season. Now, if you want to hear a spiritual leader express lament, then ask them how they're doing the day their statistical report is due. I know many of you in the secular world probably have to file reports every day. I don't know why church folks resist this exercise. Maybe because we believe that you can't quantify that which God has ordained as holy. There's a certain folly in tracking statistics of the year just past. What was our average worship attendance? How many children were in Sunday school? How many people were reached by mission activities? And I'm sure that in your line of work, the typical metrics of a normal year were anything but typical. You can't turn around without reading statistics. The Bucks shooting percentage, the overnight share of this week's episode of Young Sheldon, the latest COVID infection rate. The late great Yogi Berra once said about statistics, baseball is 90% mental and the other half is physical. A much lesser known quote is this: 90% of all statistics tell only 49% of the story. Did you know our ancestors in the savannah who were faster than their companions had a 95% greater chance of escaping a hungry lion? And since they survived, I'm pretty sure they're the ones who must have invented statistics. Contemplating how we quantify our lives with statistics, I came across an article this week that said, as a species, we human beings spend an awful lot of time calculating, measuring, monitoring, and counting. Our grade point average, our bank balance, our body mass index, all can boil our lives down into success or failure. We're obsessed with one number shrinking while the other increases. Even the Bible reports that Simon Peter disembarked from his boat, hauled his net ashore, and found it full of 153 fish. I'm not sure why that statistic was important to the Gospel of John, but I guess it makes it reasonable that we would count the number of meals served at our monthly dinner. If nothing else, it helps us know how much food to prepare for next time. It's helpful, though, that a statistic can't measure compassion, perseverance, and faith. Jesus said that. Well, at least there's a 50% chance he said something like it. You could look it up. I've got to get back to my statistical report. We'll see you next time.